Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars View channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because today we're diving into a vehicle that's quietly evolving into one of Ford's best kept secrets. Stay tuned, because we're breaking it all down: the bold exterior, tech-packed interior, engine performance, pricing, and yes, even the risks you need to know before signing on that dotted line. Let's get into it. At first glance, the 2026 Ford Edge doesn't just want to blend in, it wants to stand out. Ford's design team has given it a bolder front grille, sleeker LED headlights, and a more muscular stance that screams confidence. You'll notice a lower, more aerodynamic profile and redesigned rear LED light bar that stretches across the tailgate, giving the Edge a premium SUV vibe, similar to what you might see on luxury models. Now step inside, and Ford's commitment to tech, comfort, and space becomes crystal clear. The 2026 Edge comes with a 13.2-inch touchscreen running the latest S1C5 system, faster, smarter, and now featuring voice AI that actually works when you talk to it. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Of course, wireless, naturally. Under the hood, the 2026 Ford Edge keeps things exciting. You've got a turbocharged 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine delivering around 250 horsepower for the base models, perfect for daily driving with a bit of punch. But if you're craving more thrill, the Edge ST model brings the heat with a 2.7-liter twin-turbo V6, pushing close to 335 horsepower. Paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic and available intelligent all-wheel drive, the Edge ST delivers performance that borders on sporty without compromising comfort. And yes, Ford is making strides toward electrification. Rumors suggest a plug-in hybrid variant could join the lineup late in 2026, offering better fuel economy and lower emissions, a smart move in today's eco-conscious market. So what's the damage to your wallet? SE model starts around $38,000, SEL jumps to $41,000, titanium lands at about $45,000, and the performance-focused ST could push north of $51,000. Factor in extras like AWD, premium sound, and tech packages, and you might be looking at a well-equipped Edge topping out near $55,000. But with the mix of power, space, and high-end tech, many argue it's still solid value, especially if you're not ready to jump into the luxury price tier just yet. Of course, no SUV is perfect. Let's talk about the risks. First, fuel economy. The base engine is decent, but the ST model? You're looking at 19 mpg city, which isn't great if you're commuting daily. Second, the interior tech, while impressive, can be overwhelming for less tech-savvy drivers. Sync 5 is powerful, but it has a learning curve. And finally, competition. The 2026 Edge is entering a battlefield filled with rivals like the Toyota Venza, Hyundai Santa Fe, and Honda Passport. While the Edge has improved a lot, some might still view it as the middle child of the SUV world. So there you have it, the 2026 Ford Edge. A sharp-looking, tech-savvy SUV with solid performance and a fresh attitude. It may not be the flashiest in the lineup, but it just might be one of Ford's most well-rounded offerings yet. What do you think? Is the new Edge worth a test drive, or are you eyeing something else in the SUV universe? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button if you enjoyed this breakdown, and don't forget to subscribe for more car content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safe, stay smart, and keep it rolling.